In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Sam's Club membership. To begin, go to the official Sam's Club website and look for the Join option. Selecting that will take you to the membership page where you can review the plans currently available. This is the best place to start because it gives you a clear overview of what each membership includes before you sign up. Next, choose the membership plan that fits your needs. Sam's Club typically offers a club membership and a plus membership. The club membership is the standard option and includes access to member-only prices, fuel savings, scan and go, and curbside pickup on eligible orders. The plus membership includes all of those standard benefits, along with extra perks like Sam's Cash on qualifying purchases, free shipping on eligible orders, savings on pharmacy and optical services, and early shopping hours. If you're trying to decide between the two, think about how often you plan to shop and which added benefits you would actually use. Once you've picked your plan, create your account. At this stage, you'll be asked to enter your personal information, such as your name, email address, and a password. Make sure the information is entered carefully so your account is set up correctly and you can easily sign in later. After that, complete your membership registration. You may be asked for a little more information, and you'll also want to review the membership details before moving on. During this part of the process, Sam's Club may also give you the option to add a complimentary household member. If you don't want to do that right away, you can usually come back and add that person later through your account settings. The next step is to pay the membership fee. Enter your payment information and complete the purchase. Once your payment has been processed successfully, your membership becomes active. After your membership is active, you can access your membership card. One of the easiest ways to do this is by downloading the Sam's Club app, which lets you use a digital membership card right away. If you prefer a physical card, you can visit a Sam's Club location and request one using a government-issued ID. Finally, you're ready to start shopping. You can use your membership in-store, online, or through the Sam's Club app. From that point on, you'll be able to take advantage of member-exclusive prices and the benefits included with your plan. And that's how to get a Sam's Club membership quickly and easily.